Hi, I'm Aditi Sehgal. I bought Memoneat subscription and their printed Brahmas test series 2 months back. And on the same day, I ordered NDA PYQ books, all of them, all three of them, for physics, chemistry, and biology. And a week ago, I guess I received them, and I'm just so glad to receive them. I cannot explain them in words. You have to buy them, you have to look at them, but first of all, just look at my review. Okay, first we are taking biology. Okay, first look at their quality of paper. Okay, just look at them. This is not the regular quality, this is really nice, and I have no words to express them. So, I am a book lover and I just love reading books. I love reading novels. I know what other pages are having quality with them. I just know that very well. And what I know is, that you'll never ever find this page quality in other PYQ books. And other PYQ books are more like focusing on just, all of these questions from this paper, that paper, all of the year paper. And they are just compiling it together in a book. But what I have seen in Memoneat books, NTA PYQ books, that's only NTA PYQ books. So it's from 2019 to 2024. So I just have one thing to say for them, like their tagline is just worth it. Other PYQs are not relevant anymore. This is so true. Other PYQ books and other PYQs themselves are not relevant anymore after you just start studying from these books. I'm just so happy with these books that I cannot really explain. But let's come to physics now. I feel physics is like a subject which is not quite understood by most of the students preparing for NEET or in 11th or in 12th, whatever they are pursuing or doing. What I feel is that if you just buy this book, the physics one, you will get to know a lot about physics from basic. So if you were attempting a question from this book, you didn't get the answer correctly, then you can look at the explanation part and you can get two type of explanations, which will be very, very beneficial for you. The first one is the crisp explanation, okay, and the second one is your detailed explanation. For both of them, you will feel like now you've accomplished the topic correctly and fully. You will feel that confidence in yourself and you'll be very grateful to you that you just, bought these books. This is what I feel. And then, the chemistry. I'm just so happy with chemistry part because I love inorganic chemistry and, the physical chemistry part. And organic one used to be my weakest part. But after studying with this book, I can assure you that you can cure any weaknesses of yours in your subject. This is what I can say about this. Because once you start reading about this, reading about the chemistry and, solving questions from this book, you will have a better clarity, a better vision for the basics. And I guess organic chemistry and any other thing needs the basics most. This is what I can say. And so far, I have seen many PYQ books, and I don't think they're worth my money. But this book, this whole combo is just worth every rupee I invested on this. So it's just a must buy. I'm just so happy. This is all I can say about this. I'm so thankful to the Memoneat team and the CEO founder of Memoneat. Thank you so much.